So I'll be showing you how to fake shot in FC24. Okay, so what you need to do is simply press the shot button and then quickly press the pass button. Now by default the shot button is normally set to the circle button, but of course you can use any button that you've set as the shot button. Okay, so you can see that fake shot. Let's try again. And you can use the fake shot plus direction to evade either a goalkeeper or a defender, like that. And then score. So it's, as you can see from the controller input, it's a quick shot plus X. Okay, because I have my shot button set to box. If you have yours set to O, then press O and X. Okay, so it's basically your shot button plus your pass button quickly. Okay, let's try again, like that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.